Hello and welcome you once again in this new session of Concept Sheet, and today's topic is pronoun. You know the pronoun? The words which are used in the place of noun like he, she, it, we, they, them, us. These are all pronoun. Pronoun are of 8 types like personal pronoun which reflects specific peoples, animal or objects like I, me, you, he, she, it, we, us, etc. Possessive pronoun shows the place of nouns to as a possession like his, hers, ours, mine. That means all the other belongings words. This purse is mine. Then the reflexive, and reflexive shows that the receiver of the action is the same as the subject. He wrote himself. I write myself. So himself, herself, themselves, myself, ourselves, these are the reflexive words. Same in the emphatic also. The word like himself, ourselves, themselves shows that the object is done by the receiver. Then demonstrative pronoun is that, those, these, those. This and that is used for a singular object, and these and those are used for a plural object. Then indefinite means it refers to a person or a thing in a general way, like some, few, many, all. These words are indefinite. Interrogative shows the question answers to ask the questions like who, which, what. And reflective the words which join the two sentences. The words will be the same as an interrogative who, whom, whose, which, that. Now let's start with the exercise. You are starving yourself. I posted the letter myself. By whom this novel written? Which of these pens will you take? Now, E, F, G. These will be done by you. Now, correct this sentence. This is the new book, but that is old ones. So, you see there, this is a new book, but that is the old one. These are new books, but those are old ones. Here you will write the ones because it's a those. Now, your shift is white, but it's my one, it will be mine. Mine is black. So now D, E, F, G will be done by you. You have to correct the sentence and write in your sheet. Now third one, you have to put a suitable pronoun here. I know the man whose child was hurt. This is the horse who won the race. Here is the book which you lost yesterday. Now D, E, F, you have to do yourself. So that's all for today's session, student. Complete this concept sheet. We will meet in our next session with a new concept sheet. Till then, have a nice day and take care of your health.